My little guy loves these Cesar foods, so I usually buy them in 24 packs. I'll give him a half one after each walk, one in the morning, one in the afternoon, and he's got his dry food if he needs it later. So it's kind of a treat for him, but it's also good for him too. And I just wanted to show you how it comes. We've got the poultry variety here, we've got the Home Delights variety, and I got a 12 pack of filet mignon and New York strip. But I'll show you how it comes. Ships in a real nice container, nothing harmed, and it comes in trays. It's not the easiest thing to get out of the box and keep it all in one piece, so I probably should have cut the bottom of it, opened the bottom, and just pulled the box off, and it would have stayed up. But you can see they got it, each flavor in each of the trays. If you're like me, you make a little variety pack for them, so you can have a different flavor every day. That's what I do because I love my dog. And these are easy to store. You can put these trays right on the shelf. You can stack them. Easy to store, easy to put out of the way, and easy to access when you need them. Food for your little buddy. There it is, Cesar dog food.